we'll guide you through how to create Vercel serverless functions using the latest methods available in 2025. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can see all your projects. Select the project where you want to add the serverless function or create a new project if you haven't already. In your project directory, open the File Explorer and create a new folder named API. This is where your serverless functions will live. Inside the API folder, create a new JavaScript or TypeScript file. The file name will be the endpoint of your function. So if you name it hello.js, your function will be accessible at API/hello. In this file, you need to export a default function that handles the request and response. For example, use export default function handler rekif, ris, status 200. JSON message, hello world, the simple function sends a JSON response when called. Make sure you save the file. Now, go to the Vercel dashboard and deploy your project by clicking the Deploy button. Vercel will automatically detect the API folder and set up the serverless functions for you. Once deployed, you can access your function by going to the URL followed by API/hello. You can test your function using a browser or tools like Postman. Remember, serverless functions on Vercel are great for handling backend logic without needing to manage servers, and they're automatically scaled. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.